Hello and welcome. In today's video, we are going to go through the installation and setup process of Productive Action Automation for workflows. Let's get started. Once in your account, scroll down on the sidebar and click on App Marketplace. And in App Marketplace, use the search bar to search for the application you'd like to install and click on it. From there, click Install and allow an install. Once that's done, refresh your page. And when the page is fully loaded, scroll down on the sidebar and click on the custom page of the application you just installed. On this interface, we have a series of tabs. The first tab is the documentation tab, which contains information about the application. Up next is the tutorials tab, which has resources that will help you get the necessary credentials when trying to set up the application. Next is the setup tab, and this is where we set up our application. To do that, start by clicking on Start Setup. Next, head to your Productive account online. In your Productive account, click on your profile and on Settings. In Settings, click on API Integrations. From there, click on Generate New Integration. Give it the name of your choice. Check Read and Write and click Generate. The token has been generated. Copy the token, head back to your account and paste it where required. Copy the organization ID, head back to your account and paste it where required. Then click Complete Setup. And that's it. Up next is the Support tab, where you can create tickets and book calls with our support team each time you have an issue. And finally is the changelog tab, which keeps you updated on any changes that have been made in the application. And you can also receive notifications each time a change is made by toggling this on, filling in your email address and clicking on subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.